Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian Jira. In this video I want to show how to set custom invoice or quote numbering in Clerk. The Clerk Quotes and Clerk Invoices apps works the same, so I will show how custom invoice numbering works in Clerk Invoices app. When we create a new invoice, the app will automatically increment the invoice number from the last created invoice. So if we want to start using custom invoice numbering, we need to create the first invoice and put the custom invoice number that we want. And save this. Now, the next time we will create a new invoice, the app will continue our custom invoice numbering. This approach also works with invoice templates and Invoice Generator, so custom invoice numbering is pretty easy in Clerk. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you will have any questions. And try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.